What is the sum of all even numbers from 2 to 2008 inclusive? Okay, so inclusive, ibig sabihin kasama yung 2 tsaka 2008. So, ang tatanong is sum ng even numbers from 2 to 2008. Sabihin parang ganyan siya. Series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus up to 2008. Okay? So, mapapansin natin, pag sinubtract natin 2, syempre, even number, may common difference na 2. So, arithmetic series to. So, recall natin yung formula. Sum ng arithmetic series is n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, dito, meron na tayong a sub 1, which is 2, and a sub n, which is 2008. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung n. Paano natin mahanap yung n? Formula, diba, is yung n term a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. So a sub n natin is 2008 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1. Ang common difference natin is 2. And simplify natin. Ito pwede na i-subtract sa kabila. Bali 2006 is equal to, distribute na lang to, 2n minus 2, then add sa kabila yung 2, bali 2008 is equal to 2n, then n is equal to 1004. May n na tayo. So, substitute na lang natin dito. So, s sub 1004 is equal to 1004 over 2 times a sub 1 natin is 2 plus a sub n is 2008. Then s of 1004 is equal to, so kuha na lang tayo ng calculator. Bali 1004 divide 2 times 2 plus 2008, which is, correct answer natin is, 1,009,020. Okay? So, this is the correct answer. Then, may shortcut pa tayo dito. Kapag sum ng even numbers, ang sum ng first even number starting from 2, kasi 0, di ba, even number din siya. Ang ano lang dyan is n squared plus n. Yan lang yung formula dyan. Since, gano'n lang, dito lang tayo dadaan, yan. Then, nahanap na natin yung n, which is 1004. Substitute na lang natin, bali s is equal to 1004 squared plus 1004. Then, calculator na lang natin. 1004 squared plus 1004. So, yun nga. Correct answer is 1,009,020. Same lang sila. So, ganun lang.